Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your live streams and your YouTube video uploads on your PlayStation 5 account. And this is going to be linked to your profile if you have all these archived streams and the YouTube videos public. So just on the home screen here, let's go on over to our profile and select this. Then tab on over to where it says Share. So you can see all these videos under here of me uploading stuff on my PlayStation 5 through like Share Factory and stuff. And some of them are quite old. Some of them are about 8 years old. So if I scroll on down, here's 2016 me playing Rayman Legends right here. So I can open this up. And you can hear my commentary in there too. I think I was playing with someone. And then we have other ones. Here's something in Share Factory that I was doing. You can see the kind of like split screen with the different track 2 and track 1 there with the camera I was doing. So I was playing the Elder Scrolls Online. So you can see all your video clips that you uploaded. And if we back out, we can even see our archived broadcasts. So these are our live streams. So this one's got 1.6K views. So let's click on it. And I think I was playing a PlayStation VR. So let's scroll through here. And yep, I have a green screen in the background. You can see it's cut out and me. I'm yelling at my microphone. That game really worked your shoulders. So here's some other ones from 2016. Me playing Elder Scrolls Online. I was big into that at one point. So if you did something on your PlayStation 5, you live streamed or uploaded a video, just come to this section. And this is all public, so if people click on your profile, they can all see this. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.